Hello viewers. Now this is going to be a video. We're going to test few things. Basically, we are talking about ChatGPT and its uses for writing a blog. So, if you are a user of ChatGPT and also a blogger thinking of writing articles using ChatGPT, then this video is for you. So, I have generated, or I would say, I have taken this prompt from the internet, and I'm going to show you how it works. So, we write articles using ChatGPT? Yes, we can. But what is important for doing that is having a proper prompt. Basically, the command that you give, the language that you use in the command to the chat GPT is very important because based on that, the result that is generated is highly influenced. So, some prompts, some commands that you give to chat GPT have can generate results that are not that powerful, but some chat gpt prompts or commands that you give to that chat gpt are very powerful and can generate really great results, right? So now let's go to the prompt and see how it works, and we'll see it how things work. We'll experiment few things, so don't expect like I have everything ready over here. So let's start, right? So as you can see, this is the blogging prompt that I have generated. So suppose I want to write a blog, right? So I will type the command the following: write a blog post following this outline. So I'm going to give an outline over here, write in a tone. So what type of tone you want your article to be written in? So do not repeat phrases. So again, obviously the repetition of the same language should not be there, right? It should be having some variations in it, right? So use varied language. Write at least two paragraph for each header. So under each header there will be at least two paragraph generated. Format the headers has H2 headers in markdown formatting. So the heading format will be, as you know, it should be SEO optimized, right? So H1, H2 headers should be properly written. The keywords you need to write in. So you have to type in over here your title over here, the keywords that you want. So you need to do some research, right? Keyword research you need to do probably before. So you can type in all the keywords over here, and you can type in the outline. So all type of heading that you want the chat gpt to write, right? So suppose you have, so yeah, I will show you the live example, but all the outline should be written over here, different heading, right? Basically, uh, now there are many other things. So now let's go to the chat gpt and see a live, see the live uh, demonstration of this, right? Okay, so now we are on the chat gpt interface. So let me take this prompt from here, so I can show you the live demonstration. uh, So suppose I want to write a blog on a SaaS product. So SaaS product is basically software product. So let's say I want to write on GMAS. So GMAS is an email marketing tool. So I want to create an article on it, right? So that's my niche. You can write on different topics based on your interest or the topic that you're writing article. So I am writing an article. So write a blog post following the outline. I'm going to type in, write in a professional, conversational, and friendly style. Do not repeat phrases. You write at least two paragraph, blah blah blah. Format the headers, right? So I am going to type in the review title has GMAS review, send mass emails using this tool in, inside your Gmail. Inside your Gmail. So keywords to use. So I'm going to type in some random keywords. GMAS. This is for example, but you have to do proper research on type of keyword you need to use, right? So GMAS review, mass emails. Let me. I have bunch of keywords. Let me take that from there. So let me. These are all the keywords that I have that I would like to use. So now these are the keywords that I have given. Now the outline. So you can ask ChatGPT to create its own outline based on the keywords, or write your own. So right now I have my own outline. So outline is very important. It should include all your important keywords. It should cover all the important top sections of that particular topic. I'm just going to show you an example of the. So I'm just doing it randomly, but while doing it, make sure you do your proper research. So I have this outline already. So I'm going to use it for demonstration, but you should use your own. Uh, so this is my outline I want, and this is a basic. This is going to create a basic block for you. Let me show you. So as you can see that the blog is generated for us. So it starts with introduction to GMAS. What is GMAS? How to use the GMAS, what are the different GMAS features, all right, and pros of the GMAS, conclusion. It's work as per our outline. So now you can make some changes, right? So suppose you want to expand some of the sections of the title, so you can do that. Like rewrite the section called make it longer with more detail. You can use this prompt as well, right? So suppose I want to rewrite the section of pros of the GMAS, right? So I can say like rewrite the section called pros of the GMAS. Make it longer with more details. I can just type this prompt again and it's going to do that for me, right? So as you can see, So as you can see that it has expanded the pros of the GMAS with all the more details it has added. Now obviously we need to edit some of those manually, but you see how it is doing at automation. So you need to use your brain, what type of prompts to use, how to structure your article, how to give commands to the chat GPT, and it's going to do exactly the thing that you want. Now you can make some changes to this based on your requirement, right? Maybe you want to add more keywords to this article. So it's sky's the limit, right? So I'm just showing you the basic things that you can do. Now after this, I'm not going to spoon feed you, right? So as an internet marketer yourself, you need to use your brain, how to make things, how to creatively change things as per your requirements. So I hope that much intelligence you have, and I'm sure all my audience do have that. So this is the basic things that you can use to write an article. Create your own prompts, so you can make an document like this and add your own prompts, so you can use it at the later stage. Maybe add them on the Google Sheet, Airtable, etc. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel now, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.